evening and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have a super exciting Club L London try on haul and I cannot wait to show you all the pieces that I've picked up. Club L London is just one of those shops that have absolutely incredible pieces and they're all really good quality. And with Valentine's Day coming up, I thought what better shop to order from than Club L London for a Valentine's Day date night try on haul. So without further ado, let's start today's video. For my first item in today's video, I picked out this. The Burgundy ruched asymmetric maxi dress with drape. I got this in a UK size 6 and it was £85. So you will see this one a lot better when I've got it on because obviously it is a maxi dress and I can't quite fit it all in the screen, but this one feels of really good quality. It is a more body hugging dress, one that's got like this beautiful slinky material. And this slinky material is quite thick actually, which is great for this time of year because it is going to keep you warm. But I love the fact it's got this gathered ruched effect going down the side and then across the collarbone area. I think that's going to draw the attention to the collarbone and also it's going to sort of make you feel a bit more confident around the stomach. So I absolutely love this one. Let's try it on and see. So here is the dress on and I'm sorry, but how gorgeous is this dress? And it does actually have a little leg slit at the back to make it really easy to walk in. Club L London have really thought of everything with this dress. It's so flattering to the figure, it fits amazingly and I have actually sized down in this, which I would recommend you guys doing the same. And it comes to a really nice length on the leg. I'm 5'7" for reference and it's coming to just below my ankle so you can still see my heels in it. I love this detail across the shoulders and also it does have a hidden zip at the back to make it really easy to get in and out of the dress. But yeah, I am completely obsessed. And Burgundy was the colour of the season in December and by all means it can come into this year because I am loving it. For my next dress, we are going premium because I picked out the cream boucle strapless tailored mini dress. I got this in a UK size 8 and it was £150. So it has got a premium price tag to match the quality of the dress. But I do think there's a good reason for that because this one is next level. I'm loving the two contrasting tones and how they've integrated the sequins into the boucle material. This one is definitely giving posh, rich energy, and I am all here for that this year. I love the fact it is bandeau style as well, just because it does draw the attention to the collarbone, and I think for a date night, it just adds so much sexiness, so I absolutely love this one. And you can actually wear this to multiple occasions, so let's try it on and see what we think. Wow, I am sort of speechless, like there's no other word to describe this dress. It is just incredible. It is giving chic sophistication at its finest. And sizing, I actually went with my normal size, but I would recommend sizing down in this one, especially if you don't have the biggest of bust like me. I'm not quite filling it, and I just think it would fit best if I did size down in this one. I really like how it cinches you in at the waist though, and then does flare out, giving like an A-line sort of style. I think this one is absolutely stunning. It does come in a black version as well. The cream just stole my heart that little bit more, and for date night, this might be a winner for me. Sticking with the whites, I then picked up the maxi dress. This one is the white tailored square neck mini dress. I got this in a UK size 8 and it was £85. Again, you will see this a lot better when it's on, but do you think I have a type at the minute? Because I definitely do. Like, this is another structured design, one that is screaming sophistication, and I absolutely love it. I did actually go with my normal size in this one again though, so we'll have to talk about sizing when it's on. But I'm hoping this one does fit. It is a different style neckline, and this one does have straps. But let's try it and see what we think when it's on. So here is the next dress on, and this one is giving corporate woman. So I do like this dress. I think it's very flattering on, and I love that it is like a 2-layered dress. However, it's not giving like the flirtatious vibes I am after for date night like number 1 and number 2 were giving. I think it's still a very classic and chic dress, one that's absolutely timeless and you will never get bored of. But yeah, for a date night, this one isn't my favourite. Sizing as well, I did go with my normal size, and I do wish I'd have sized down in it because the ladies just aren't fitting how I would like them to. Maybe that's what I'm not loving about it, just that it is slightly too big. But otherwise, it comes to a very nice length on the leg, and again, it does have the hidden zip detail to make it super easy to get on and off as well. We've now reached the final dress in today's video, so I just wanted to remind you at this point, if you haven't already, please do make sure you have hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. It's completely free to subscribe and you can unsubscribe at any point, but honestly it helps me so much on my channel and it allows me to keep getting this content out there for you. But here is the final dress. The black high neck short sleeve mini dress. I got this in a UK size 8 and this one was £85. On the website, she looked super cute, so I'm not going to judge her too much. I mean, she is giving shape. Look at that, like it sort of flares out quite a bit at the bottom, but I really love that style at the moment. I'm not loving these sleeve details though. Again, I'm not sure what it is about them that I don't like. I just think it's giving like grandma vibes. So yeah, I'm not 100% about that. And maybe the neck could have been a little bit lower, but that could also look really nice on with like a statement necklace. So yeah, we're not gonna judge her too much right now. Let's try her on and see what we think. And here she is, the final dress. Sorry, but look at that shape. I love that about this dress. You will have to let me know in the comment section down below though what you truly think, because I am in two minds. Half of me looks at her and thinks, wow, obsessed, this one is incredible. And the other half of me is like, honey, no, not for you. And I don't know if it's all down to like the neckline and the sleeves. I just think they're not doing it for me. I think I like having my collarbone out too much. I just think it adds so much to an outfit, whereas this one is like really covered up. However, I mean, she is giving and she's very versatile. Loving the size and the length of this one. Because it's not reliant on your bust size, she fits really nicely. But yeah, you will have to let me know because I will definitely be checking on all the comments. But that does conclude my Club L London try on haul. I really hope you've liked this video as much as I did filming it. Thank you all so much and I will see you next video.